The Two Birds Story. Once upon a time, two little birds lived in a big forest. One bird lived near a peaceful village. It had plenty of food and was happy. The other bird lived deep in the forest where food was hard to find. It often felt hungry and lonely. One day, the bird from the forest visited its friend near the village. It saw how easy life was there. The village bird said, "Stay with me. There's enough food for both of us." But the forest bird said, "No, I like my freedom." Suddenly, a hunter came to the village. The village bird was caught. The forest bird flew away safely. Moral of the story: freedom is more precious than comfort. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.